Oh, she's going to be a sweet one, boys. I started taking it apart. I pulled the bolts out, got the little air valve out of the way, pulled the master cylinder out of it for the rear brakes, pull the caliper off of it, put her on the bench, and see what we got. I figured I'll start with the back, move my way forward. Shock's leaking pretty good. I already wiped some of the oil off, but that's pretty grungy. So now the brake hose, I gotta source one out. I'll put a new brake hose on it, but I'll do that when I do the rear wheel, because it does go down along the swing arm around there. Not a big deal. I can fish it out. Be a lot easier once you get this wheel out of the way, though. So that's another project for another time. I don't know the history on the bike, and I don't want a problem down the road. It's just easier to fix her up right now. All right, let's get that off here. Slides. Slides are still nice. Holy crap. Yeah, the pad is stuck in there. Little tiny guy, eh? Wow. She's stuck in there pretty good. All right, well, we'll have to give her some oomph. That pad is stuck in there really good. So I got a BFH, piece of pipe, we'll get her out. All right. Yeah, what the heck is that? Oh, take that thing off, looks stupid. Like, yeah. We'll pull that piece off. All right, guys, we got everything on the bench. We got our front brake calipers, our pads. Oh, these are the cutest little things, eh? Anyway, rear brake caliper, rear master cylinder. I have a brand new master cylinder coming for the front. So we're going to see what this one looks like. And the reservoir that goes on top. Now, my plan is to take these apart and take a look at the bores. Because if the bores are no good, there's no point in ordering up overhaul kits for them. So I'll pop these apart, take a look at the bores, take a look at the pistons. Because if they're junk, well then we might as well just source out new calipers and be done with it. I might just source out new calipers anyway, but... Alright, let's start taking these apart. Alright, let's see if I got this apart. The rubbers still feel pretty good. Pretty corroded. Let's see what I forgot in here. Doesn't seem that bad. I gotta clean it out, but... Oh, lost focus. I just think it was all the garbage. All the brake fluid leaking from the hose. I'll order up a kit. Focus. We got the retainer plate, snap ring. Oh yeah, this has to be cleaned up. Take this top piece off. I'll clean her up. Well, we're off to a good start. The brake bleeder screws came out nice, and I can blow through them all. So that's a really good sign. The fluid looked pretty good in it too. So I guess we'll just carry on. So yeah, feeling positive so far. If you ever messed with calipers before, you know that these things are usually plugged right up and stuck in there. Well, they came right out, no problem. Feeling good about that. I want to see if these calipers, if they're stuck. So I want to just give it a quick squish. See if we do this one-handed. Oh, okay. Moved in really super nice. That's a really good sign. That's the back one. Let's try one of the front ones here. Oh, that one's out quite a bit. Here, I have to put you down. Hold on. All right. Let's try this front one. Oh, one-handed here. That's my junkies. There we go. Oh, that one seems pretty stiff. Oh, yeah. Oh, did you see that? She just jumped right in. Okay, that's a good sign. Let's try the other one here. It's pretty sticky. This one will be a troublesome. All right, let's get these apart and see what we have to work with. All right, so there's a little tin clip pulled out. This little ring that goes around the dust seal. The rubber seems nice, but we'll see. I threaded the leader screw back in just by hand. I got the old air compressor going. Very low pressure. Careful when you do this. And let's see if we can pop them. Get you set up here. Put you on a turbo here. Turbo housing. Oh, sorry about the camera. Hold on. Just set up here. Just set up right here. Hold on. Find something to prop you up with a fuel filter? I don't know. I'm ill prepared. Ooh, okay. Oh, dude. That is, I'm kind of blown away. Wow. Okay. Let's try the stubborn one. So far, I'm good with 2 calipers. Let's clean them up. Put the seal kit in them. No, I'm not reusing the seals, even though they seem to be good shape. They're too cheap to mess with. All right. Oh, can I do this one-handed there? Hold on. Nope. I gotta fire the compressor back up. Give her some more. Hold on. All right, we upped the air pressure. Let's see what we can do with this one now. Yeah, she's stuck. Just have to up the air pressure even more. I don't have a pressure washer to thread this into. You shouldn't use air, by the way. You can become a explosion hazard. Oh, I got her to pop. Off camera, sorry. Didn't take too much pressure. I didn't take too much more pressure, I should say. Not too bad. I think I could probably save it. I think it just got stuck around the edge there. Better shape than what I was expecting. I'm going to clean it up and see if I can save this one. Like I said, if I can't save them, then well, then obviously buy a new one. However, this is a budget build. I want to do it as cheap as I can, but I still want to do a good, safe, quality job because I want the bike to work. I don't know problems or issues with it. Oop, just about lost it. That would have sucked. Okay. I'm debating if I should polish these though. Or leave them the black. That's something I have to think about. Alright.